Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to record screen in Windows 11 PC and laptop. So in doing this one, you don't really have to install anything anymore. This is a built-in system here in Windows PC. So to do that, let's go ahead and look for the application. The one that we're looking for is the snipping tool. Now you might be thinking that the snipping tool is actually just for picture, but that's not actually the case. So if you head over here, this is for snipping, but as you can see, there is a video here. So as you can see, you can just press this shortcut here in order for you to start recording, but then you can also go ahead and make this bigger. What's going to happen is that if you are going to press those, there you go. You should be able to see something like this, right? Now that is very important. So yeah, you can go ahead and press the record here, and then you can go ahead and choose which part of your screen you want to start recording. And then from this point forward, you can also go ahead and turn on your microphone. So just click this one and choose the microphone that you're using. And then the other one here, this is actually for this system in your audio. So from this one forward, you can just go ahead and click the start button here, and you are good to go. And that, everybody, is how you're going to record video in your PC.